Guys know about this. When you keep things in your wallet and for when you need it, you got it, but you're not really supposed to leave it in your wallet. That's not what we're talking about here. Hey, this is Scott Weidenkivowitz, a storyteller with a camera talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. And in this video, we're going to be talking about yet another photography everyday carry, another photography EDC, and that is the things that you can throw in your wallet, throw in your pocket, throw in your camera bag, and take up no space, add no weight, and you're going to want them for when you need it, because if you don't have it and you needed it, you're kind of in trouble. So I might have preluded to this in the last photography EDC video, but we're talking about first the lens cloth. This one in particular is from ProMaster. I don't really care what lens cloth you get, but this one came in a nice little wallet that keeps it folded so that when I actually do need this one, it will then become a sloppy mess and never be perfectly folded again. But in the meantime, I've got a nice, sleek lens cloth that can just slip into my pocket, behind my wallet in my pocket, and it's out of the way. But I got a nice lens cloth for my glasses or for my camera lens when I need it. Speaking of lens cloth, there's also those times where a fabric cloth doesn't do justice, and even the brushes from my last video don't do justice, and you need that extra little something, and that is where these come in. Now I have a whole video on these that you can catch by clicking the card right up there. That is actually from Nikon. These are Nikon lens cloth. These are wet wipes. They've got the best lens solution for glasses and for your camera lenses or for your iPhone or your iPad screens or anything like that, and they're in these individual pouches so that you can actually take a bunch and throw them in your bag, or just throw one in your pocket and you got it for when you need it. Okay, we're about to get personal here. There's a lot of people who have this problem, and it's when you need to go to a public restroom of some sort, whether that's a porta potty or you're in a train station or an airport and you got to use a bathroom that's in public. You know it's not the cleanest thing, and you need to protect yourself, clean yourself better than what you might with the toilet paper that's available. Yeah, we're getting personal, whatever. If you watch Shark Tank, you might recognize these from Shark Tank. These are the dude wipes. These come available in bulk quantities, or they come available in these individual packets, but these are amazing to have. These are large wipes that you can use on yourself as you need it, and again, just throw them in your bag, throw them in your pocket, and for those times that you are in trouble and you really need it, you're gonna wanna have it.
Dude wipes.
It's for more than just dudes. They're just wipes, but they're convenient. So there you go, another photography EDC, another photography everyday carry. Now comment below this video and share what is in your everyday carry for your photography. And be sure to click the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday whenever possible. You don't wanna miss it.